starting. Please hear me. Environmental monitoring is the test performed the affinity room or site in looking for microorganism and non-microorganism before the production. To find the pathogens before contamination happens, determine the effectiveness of sanitation procedure. Now we start step 1 according to our professor instruction. Step 1, preparation of DSS solid media. For this we take 11 petri dishes and take TSA TSA media powder and pour it 40 gram in 1000 milliliter water, clean water, then autoclave it, and we make a TSA solid media. TSA solid media is that type of media where any type of microorganism can grow in this media. This media has lot of solutions, and then autoclave and pour it in the biosafety cabinet on the petri dish. Step 2, power plates aseptically in biosafety cabinet. Power plate aseptically is the technique for avoiding contamination. First, collect all the needed materials: petri dish, media bottle, 70% isopropyl alcohol, tissue paper. Clean the biosafety cabinet and also wipe the petri dish, media bottle by alcohol and put in the biosafety cabinet. Open the media bottle and open the petri dish and carefully pour media into the petri dish. Close the petri dishes and take out from the biosafety cabinet. This picture is like this. Is our biosafety cabinet. We pour that media in this petri dishes. Step 3, media validation. Here we did two tests. One growth promotion test, two sterilizing test. Growth promotion test, sterilizing test. Sterilizing test. We take our petri dish and fresh petri dish with solid media and put it in the incubator. After 2 days, we find there is no microorganism. That means this petri dish, this media is sterile. Now growth promotion test. Growth promotion test. Then we take that petri dish and inoculate some E. coli with a loop and put this petri dish in the incubator. After 2 days, we see there are a lot of microorganism growth there. Our incubator temperature was 37 degrees. I already described it. Now I go next. Step 4, non-viable laser particle test. For this test, we need this machine. To perform this test, we need 3 different sites. Use this machine named Particle Plus. Test for particle, fiber, dust, dead cells, how many particles are flowing in the room side, and the particle size given by SOP. It gives two results, delta and sigma. This machine provides quality of room size giving the result particle size, the run time and volume. We did it three places. We find this result. First we go started from 110 this room. We find here sigma 2039, delta 1564. Then we go break room. We see sigma 1297, delta 1160. Then we go 114 room number. We see 1414 sigma and delta 1228. Step 5, viable organism test, air sampling. For this test, we need this machine. We need this test. Want to know how many living organisms in our facility area, room side, present there. We use for this test MAS 100 EF machine. Also use that media inspected by SOP. Instrument name MAS 100 EF machine. Name of site is room 110. Volume of sample 1000. Incubation from September 21 to September 23, 2 days. Result, we see many colonies. We see it on my next slide. After put that petri dish in the incubator, after 2 days, we see there grow more and more of the Step 6, replicate organism detection and product test. Location, room number 110. Start incubation September 11 to September 7 to September 9. We find there many colonies. For this test, we take sample from 2 sites. I take sample from this door handle and take rudder plate from our professor and pass it on the handle and put it in incubator. After 2 days, we see there are more and more. We did it another places. We take sample by swab in our particular machine handle, and then we inoculate it in the solid media on the petri dish, and we put it in incubator. After 2 days, we see there are a lot of microorganisms we cannot find it. replicate organization, detection and counting rudder plate test. I already completed. For this test, we need rudder petri dish. We use for sample 200 room 110. Step 7, bioburden test for liquid samples. We do it room number 110. Start incubation like this. For this test, we need peristaltic pump. This bioburden feeder, peristaltic pump, petri dish, ESM media, autoclave, biosafety cabinet, normal tap water, forceps, incubator. First we take a sample from our normal tap water in this feeder, and pump it from this pump and filter it. Then we take this filter paper by faucet and put it on the petri dish. Then we put it in the incubator. After 2 days, we find this filter, this colony. Leak test. Buffer tank. We need this test for one to know the leaking status of the container that will hold the product. We did this test in this tank here. First, when we start air pressure, we see meter reading is 20. After 2 hours, we see this not changes it 20. That means pressure was that tank was no leak. Thank you everyone for listening my presentation with a great patience.